Welcome to the online, CPD certified, Level 1 Food Safety and Hygiene for Manufacturing course.
Here are some of the reasons why learners choose this course. 1. It's approved and accepted everywhere in the UK. 2. You can access the course immediately. 3. Your approved certificate can be downloaded instantly on completion. It's really easy to begin. Simply click the Enroll Here or Sign Up buttons and purchase the course using one of the available payment methods. Login details, consisting of a username and password, will be sent immediately to your email address. You can then use the login details provided to access your account and begin your course. You can learn at your own pace as the system saves your progress. The course works on any device and is available 24 hours a day. Once you have completed all of the course units, you can take the final exam. This online exam consists of 20 multiple-choice questions. You need 80% to pass the final exam, but if you fail, you may retake it at no additional cost. You will receive instant, on-screen, and email notifications of your exam result. Your high-quality digital certificate can be downloaded from the exam results page immediately. So why not enroll today and achieve your training goals quickly and easily?